Hello everyone! Today we are going to show you how to secure streaming URL by password protection feature. This will allow your streaming sessions to be password protected before starting. So first you need to click on your application, go to your app config icon and click on it. This will open up your common streaming settings. Here turn on the password protect stream feature on the left side of the settings menu. Enter a password of your liking. Then save your settings. Next, start your app streaming session. Now you can see that after clicking on your streaming link, it will ask for password to continue. Simply enter your password and click the Submit button. If you entered your password correctly, it will continue loading your application stream. Thanks for watching the video. To know about our Unreal Engine Pixel streaming service, visit our website www.eagle3dstreaming.com or contact our support system. To create an account, go to account.eagle3dstreaming.com/sign up and get a free 7 days trial. Upload your first Unreal Engine project on our Pixel streaming platform for free. Eagle 3D Streaming, it's just easier.